Hi there, I'm Renee Fuentes and welcome back to my channel, Thai Caliente. Today I have a super easy and family-friendly recipe for taco pasta. So we're gonna be using some shortcut ingredients, but if you have a picky eater like I do, then they are going to love this recipe. All right, you guys, let me show you how to make it.
Go ahead and start by boiling your pasta shells just until al dente. You could also do elbows as well. And then a large pan, add a little bit of oil, and we're gonna brown 1 pound of ground beef. You could also do ground turkey as well. We're adding 1 tablespoon of taco seasoning and go ahead and cook that until the beef is fully cooked. Now we're going to do 4 ounces of cream cheese and just stir that until the cheese is melted in. And I'm doing 8 ounces of store-bought enchilada sauce. I also have a recipe for homemade enchilada sauce on my site, but this makes it really quick and easy. So once that is fully incorporated, we are going to add the pasta that we cooked just until al dente, along with a little bit of the pasta water, just so it can kind of bind everything together from the starches of the pasta. So stir that to incorporate all that delicious ground beef and pasta, and now we're adding 1 cup of shredded Mexican cheese. You want to turn off the heat at this point and just stir it until the cheese is melted. So now the pasta is ready to serve. My kids like to eat it with a little bit of diced avocado. I also like to add some chopped tomatoes and jalapenos, and then a dollop of sour cream. Oh, you guys, this pasta is so good.
How about that for an easy weeknight meal? Now for the ultimate pass of with my picky taste tester. Is this your favorite?
Yeah.
All right, here, go ahead, take a bite. What do you think?
It's good.
It's good? You guys, there you have it. This taco pasta is picky eater approved. Be sure to leave me any comments below. Give this video a like and subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you next time. Say bye.
Bye.
Good job, Mama.